Using the customer support feature on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using the LG ThinQ app, you can use the customer support feature for various purposes. You can receive news from the ThinQ app, learn how to use the products and the app, and receive LG Electronics service benefits. Let's find out how to use the customer support feature. Checking out the notices and updates. Tap the top left menu icon on the home screen. Scroll down and enter the Notices and Updates on the Support menu. You can check out the recent news. Learn detailed information about the app and products, updates, and new features. Checking out the User Guide. Tap User Guide on the Support menu. The Take a Tour feature allows you to test out the product control without connecting it to the app. You can also learn about the app and product's new features in the User Guide. Help and Feedback. Tap Help and Feedback on the Support menu. You can search for frequently asked questions and how to resolve them, and make queries about the app directly via one-to-one support. You can also ask the chatbot simple questions or contact an agent directly from the app. Using the LG Service feature. Go to LG Service on the Support menu. You can use various customer service features, such as Request a Repair, Repair Request Status, and Find a Service Center.